Oh, Croatia, I missed you so. Today we are in the port of Split. We've nothing planned. We have until 4 o'clock to get back on the ship. Thunderstorms are supposed to roll in at about 2, but I want to show you our view right now, and my sexy husband. You guys look.
It's very pretty out here right now, but I can see on the horizon over there what's going to be happening at 2 o'clock today.
So right now we're going to go down to the MDR, we're going to get you some breakfast. Get us some breakfast. And then from there, we're getting off the ship, and we're going to go explore the same route we explored the last time we were here with another ship. In the main dining room, on Pearl, you can find Earl. So when you're here in Summer Palace, ask for Earl. Don't ask for Keeler or anybody else. Ask for Earl.
Thank you.
Keeler's nowhere to be found. How's your breakfast, Murph?
Dynamite.
Good. We've arrived in Split. We had 2 tour guides try to sell us a tour. The first guy wanted to sell it to us for $100. The second guy wanted to send it to us for $80. That's 80 euros, 100 euros. And we're just gonna walk. Look at how pretty it is. Right now we're in the industrial port where all the ships are. So there's really not much to see, but we're gonna take you around. Inside town of Split, we've come across a pirate ship that you can take a panoramic and sunset cruise around. They give you a local guide, free Wi-Fi, drinks, and more. I think that would be pretty cool. But look at all the people here today. Wow. Beautiful church in front of us. Some tuk-tuks, some taxis, some waterfront. The last time we were here was 2019, and we were on board MSC, and we got to experience Split Beach. But today, we are on our way to the Game of Thrones Museum. Alright, you Game of Thrones fans, we are at the museum here in Split. We are going to go inside and check it out what it's all about. And from the looks of this guy right here,
he's scary.
Yeah, he's a little scary. Not as scary as my husband, though. Look at that, you guys. Right from the movie television series. And here is all the pictures that they were filmed, where they filmed. This place consists of 4 rooms. And you've got Baratheon, Stark, Targaryen, Lannister. There are all the relics, all the figurines, the cups, and that's all the outfits. And look at this guy. I'm sure you guys remember him. Huh? Yeah, baby. And then my favorite character right there. And this is all the outfits that she wore. That is a beautiful gown. Oh, wow. Here's all the crowns. Look at this. Beautiful table. More costumes from Game of Thrones. My goodness. Lord Stark, Ned Stark, he was in charge. He was executed. There's more gowns. Look at that. Oh, yeah. This is where they did the night watch. Look at that. Amazing, incredible how they put this all together. And over here, we have Arya Stark. Look at all the faces. That's wild. The Hall of Faces. White Walkers, in case White Walkers break the glass. And then over here, you've got Hodor. And then here's all the filming locations. Castella, Split, Klis, Sravika, Baska Voda. My favorite character, King Rob. And in a little while, we're going to be going across the street. We're going to get our picture taken in the famous chair. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh yeah. I'm in heaven. Yeah. Oh boy. Look at this from you guys. Little creepy. The free folk.
White Walkers.
The Night King. The White Walker. Wow. They're even showing scenes from the show. Why do I keep saying movie? I don't know why. There's the White Walkers.
Giants.
We are inside the official fan shop of Game of Thrones. There's the almighty chair from the series. And they have lots of stuff in here. Lots of stuff. I almost forgot to share my non-alcoholic beer if I haven't shared it already, so I apologize for the duplicity. Azusko. Pretty good. I enjoyed it. Did you?
I love my Rattler.
But did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it tastes like a Heineken to me.
We are on our way to the palace. Pretty waterfall. Nice little park for children to play in. Lots of people here in Split. I don't know if the weather's holding out just yet, but working on it. So now we're going to take you into the palace. Hopefully they'll let me record. Inside the palace. Got some guards in there. Very pretty in here. Very nice. Inside the palace, everybody. Very beautiful. Lots of people. Gotta watch your stuff. Anywhere in Europe. I don't know, those dark clouds are following us. But we're making the best of it. We moved away from the center city. And now we're on our way over to the beach where we can reminisce when we were here the last time. It's very beautiful. I don't know about those clouds yet, but we're prepared. We've got our umbrellas. Mr. Murphy's wearing his Itadori shirt today with his gray slacks and matching sneakers.
Voila.
And his hat matches too. Isn't he a great, guys? Look at him. Made it out to the beach area here in Split where we were back in 2018, 2019. The water is not friendly today, so it's definitely not beach weather. And it looks pretty bare. So just wanted to show you, we came back to that spot. Got some guys playing some soccer on the beach. A couple of people running in the water a little bit. Then they're coming right back out again. What do you think, Murph?
I think we could do a little walk and we could find a temple kitchen seafood.
You hope. Doesn't look too promising, and those clouds are still following us. And we just hopped into an Uber and we are on our way to find some octopus here in Croatia. Promenade bus. Little sightseeing going on.
But it's gonna rain, I think. So.
Rain! Don't say that.
Look at the clouds.
I know.
It's not looking nice. You came
Yeah,
here
I see
when?
some dark rain clouds.
Yeah. When did you came?
We just got on a ship this morning. Got off a ship this morning, and we'll be on the ship in the afternoon.
Made it into a great restaurant called Matajuska Canova.
And all of the restaurants here are Canova, they said, because they were often in the basement where the temperature was stable in the winter and in the summer, They can store their wine down there to keep it cool. They can hang out down there in the summertime and stay cool. And in the winter, it's easier to heat the place if it's underground too.
And they have a great saying, there is no sincerer love than the love of food. And that's exactly what we do. We love travel, we love food, and we want to share it with all of you. Do you have the hiccups or something?
Nope.
I think you need to drink some more wine, buddy.
I'm digesting my rattler from earlier.
Man, oh man. No octopus, but we got a good alternative. We got some bruschetta.
With shrimp on them.
And we got some salad.
Look at that nice salad. It's got mandarin oranges, it's got shaved prosciutto, or shaved pecorino romano, avocados, tomatoes, good greens.
And when was the last time you saw me drinking a Pepsi
Light.
Light? Manja. As the smoke arises from the risotto down below.
Who are you trying to be? Can you tell me?
No, buddy, I'm just trying to be funny.
You trying to be funny? All right. Good luck with that.
Tell us about the dish.
Don't give up your day job.
I won't.
So this is the world famous black risotto here in Split. This I know is a fire roasted red pepper, but this I'm not sure what it is. I'm gonna cut it open and see.
Is it chicken? Is it squid? Is it poop?
Looks like a looks like an egg roll.
Take a bite. Take a little bite. Get it, take a bite. Little bit of appetite. Well,
It's some kind of mincemeat inside of a wonton shell.
good?
Yeah. No, it's a stuffed squid.
How do you go from mincemeat to squid? I don't know.
Well, that's what it's stuffed with, is mincemeat. But it is a squid.
All right, give me some of that. All right.
Don't put the whole thing in your... Oh, you're gonna put the whole thing in your mouth?
Dynamite. We're on our way back to the cruise port and we noticed one of these, which is a solar panel bench for you to charge your phone. Let's see if it works. Mr. Murphy's gonna put his phone down. Is it working? No. Bingo.
Oh, yes, it is.
Look at that.
Solar power your phone.
That's awesome.
Right?
All of these cars are in line to get on the ferry. And I think we're in the wrong spot. I think we need to be over there. But yeah, look at all these ferries, man. Woo!
Did you know there's a little screen that you can tip up so that we could see our pretty faces while we're shooting a video like this?
Yeah.
Or did you just find out today years ago?
Today years ago.
Okay. We had a wonderful day here in
Sure
Split.
did.
It was quite a bit different from the last time that we were here.
Most F.
Most definitely, because the last time we were here was the middle of July. It was very, very hot.
And one of the family
And
members got hurt.
we were swimming out in the ocean. We were enjoying the waterfront, but then when we went back afterward, Amanda got hurt. And we had to go to the ship's doctor or get her some first aid. In any event, we had a wonderful day here in Split, Croatia. Our lunch was not grilled octopus because they had taken it off of the menu, but we did get the Squid Ink, the black risotto.
I'm glad I didn't repeat the medical emergency like your daughter went through after smashing my toe twice.
Yeah, she tripped over the step on the way into the restaurant. Not once, but twice. Jammed her toe really, really good. She did. But I gave her a little toe massage before, so she's getting better now.
People don't want to hear that.
Tonight we went back to the Lotus restaurant, their Chinese restaurant on Deck 7. And they have teppanyaki, they have a sushi bar, and they have Lotus all in one place. We ordered a variety of different dishes that we didn't have before. The steak that they gave me, They must have gave me a pound of steak between the 3 giant medallions. I could only eat what I could eat, and we actually ate 3 orders of honey-stung shrimp. This stuff was crispy, sweet, and delicious. They served it with a side of spicy mayo. And our server tonight, she didn't look like no Diana Reyes, but, you know, that was her name. And she looked very, very oriental in her nice Chinese dress. She had a Chinese dress on that would rival Lucia's Chinese dress. Did you ever see that one, folks? Did you? It's been a while since we've been to China, too. All right. Thank you all for tuning in today.
Tomorrow is the last port.
Tomorrow's the last port.
Slovenia.
And
have you ever been to Slovenia? Let us know in the comments below.
We get good weather. We're
going to... You'll just have to wait until tomorrow to find out. Good night, all.